In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz with a score on Google Forms. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Forms. Upon reaching the Google Forms homepage, you will have access to a wide range of tools for creating your interactive quiz. The interface is user-friendly and designed for ease of use, so even if you are new to the platform, you will find it simple to follow along. Once you have reached Google Forms, look for the gallery of templates available. This is where you can view various pre-designed forms that serve as useful starting points. In this section, the template gallery will provide you with several options, and your goal is to locate and select the option intended for quiz creation. By exploring the available templates, you can quickly find a structure that suits your quiz requirements. After accessing the template gallery, the next task is to locate the option that reads as a blank quiz. This option is designed specifically for creating quizzes from scratch, offering you a clean slate to work on. The blank quiz template removes any unnecessary pre-filled text or design elements, giving you full control over the content and structure of your quiz. This approach is beneficial when you want to customize every aspect of your quiz to meet specific needs. With the blank quiz template now selected, you can begin building your quiz questions. This phase is essential because it involves structuring the content that your participants will interact with. Start by adding your first question and think carefully about how to phrase it in a way that is clear and unambiguous. You can continue by adding subsequent questions as needed. Remember, thorough planning of your questions will help ensure that the quiz is both engaging and informative. Once your questions are in place, move on to selecting the appropriate type for each question. Google Forms offers a variety of question formats, and it is important to choose the type that best fits the answer style you require. Whether you need multiple choice, short answer, or another format, this decision will influence how users interact with your quiz. Selecting the proper format can make a significant difference in how easily participants can provide accurate responses. Following the selection of question types, it is necessary to designate an answer key for each question. The answer key is where you determine the correct responses, and this step is integral to the automatic grading functionality of your quiz. To do this, enter into the answer key mode and select the correct answers provided in your quiz questions. This process ensures that each question is properly marked and that your automated scoring will work correctly. After finalizing the answer key, the next step is to allocate points to each question. Assigning points allows you to control the weight of each question, reflecting its importance in the overall quiz. Allocate the desired amount of points based on the complexity or relevance of each question. Once you have ensured that every question carries the correct value, the last action to complete the setup is to confirm your settings. Finally, acknowledge your completed quiz setup by clicking the confirmation option. With this action, you finalize all settings and save your work, making your quiz ready for distribution. Following these detailed steps allows you to create a polished and effective quiz with score tracking using Google Forms. Enjoy the process and the ease with which you can now share your interactive quiz with others.